Hello, this is an instructional video for the rainbow LED button from BBK Electronics. When you receive the button, you will receive an extension USB cable and an anti-static bag containing the button. Open the bag. Inside you will find the USB and LED driver, the switch mechanism, and the button housing, as well as a threaded nut on the back. First, start by unscrewing the threaded nut and feed it back out. You'll need to put the switch mechanism through the nut and then take it over the USB portion of the button. Then you will need to cut a hole approximately 1 1/8 inch diameter into what you want to mount it to. For this demonstration, we will use a piece of construction paper. Start off by putting the US portion of the button through the hole. Feed the switch mechanism through. And then finally bring the button assembly, or the button housing, up to the edge of the button. Then take the threaded nut, put it back over the USB portion, take the switch mechanism through the hole, and then finally thread the nut back on to the switch housing. Thread it on until it is securely in place. Next, you'll need to take the switch mechanism and attach it to the button housing. There are 2 holes in the switch mechanism that line up with 2 tabs on the button housing. One hole and tab are closer to the button housing shaft. Start with that hole. Take the wires that are coming out of the bottom of the button and bring them to the side. You'll either want to go to this side or this side. Don't go over this edge or this edge because the switch mechanism will pinch the wires. And if you do it wrong, you'll see as you install it. So start with the tab closest to the button shaft. Install the first hole. Rotate the switch mechanism over. You're going to need to bend this arm out a little bit to get it on, and then slide it in until it snaps in place. Now your button assembly is complete. You can then take your USB extension cable, plug your USB portion of the button into the extension cable, or if you don't need the cable, go directly to your computer. The switch will immediately light up and start cycling through the different colors. The switch also installs as a USB HID keyboard on your computer. This keyboard only has one button though, and that button is the space bar. Pressing the button causes the LED color to change instantly, as well as print a space on your computer. There is a minimum 3-second delay required between button presses so that users do not press the button too quickly. Pressing it once causes it to quickly change, but if you press the button over and over, no space is pressed until you release the button for 3 seconds. Thank you.